My God, the new blah, blah, blah came up. You know,
Yes.
Bo Jackson, when Michael Jordan dropped a sneaker, as a kid, you had to have those sneakers. You look at what the person who's attached to that shoe has done, and a piece of you wants to become that. So now that I'm in that realm of, yo, he has a shoe and there's a meaning behind the shoe, people who buy that shoe will know what the meaning is.
Yeah.
There's nothing that beats that.
What's up, guys? For those that don't know me, I am Blake Barish from B Street Shoes. This week I'm going to be painting some custom Jordans for comedian Kevin Hart. I got asked by the Honda Center in Anaheim, California to make a custom gift for Kevin. Right now Kevin's on his comedy tour called Reality Check. He's going to be stopping in Anaheim on November 26th, and I want to get these shoes done in time. Kevin's known for wearing a lot of neutral colors, and I'm known for my gradients, so we decided to combine the two and do a black and white gradient. I'm always trying to figure out how to use the Nike swoosh in the design, and the fact that his tour is called Reality Check worked out perfectly. Stick around to watch the process and wait for the punchline.